Good evening, friends. Today I am starting the Power BI series. It is series 1. Okay, we'll have like 5 sessions of Power BI. So let me talk about Power BI first. So before starting this session, you might have some doubts. Okay, you can see now here. What is Power BI, first of all, and who can learn Power BI? What are the opportunities we get once we complete this series? Do we need computer knowledge for learning Power BI? What is the future for Power BI? How many sessions do I need to attend? Do we need to practice continuously? So these are the doubts generally students will have. So who are learning Power BI? So first I will tell you what is Power BI. Power BI is nothing but it is business intelligence tool for data visualization. So it is nothing but business intelligence tool for data visualization. Okay, we'll talk in the coming sessions about data visualization and all those things. For now, you just keep in mind that Power BI is business intelligence tool. Okay. Now, second question, who can learn Power BI? Anyone can learn Power BI unless they have an analytical and logical thinking. Then only they can learn Power BI. Okay, and of course, they should have the computer knowledge. Now in the market, many people will say without any computer knowledge also you can learn Power BI. Simply we'll teach you Power BI in 10 days, 15 days without any knowledge, but that is wrong. Okay, anyone who wants to learn Power BI should and must have computer knowledge. Okay, Power BI is a lucrative career. Okay, once you complete the Power BI sessions, you will get good jobs with designations ranging from project manager to consultant. So we have different designations once you learn Power BI based on the skill set, skill level. Okay, one is project manager, next one is developer, next is SQL Server BI developer and consultant and business analyst. Okay, anyone you can go for it. Now, these are the opportunities you have once you learn Power BI. Next is, do we need computer knowledge for learning Power BI? Yes, you need computer knowledge for learning Power BI. Then what is, you can ask me, what is the future for Power BI? You have a good future, very good future for Power BI because it is cloud-based tool for data visualization. So now it's everywhere cloud computing is there. So it is very good tool for data visualization. And how many sessions do I need to attend? You may have this doubt. So generally 5 sessions are enough for learning Power BI. And do we need to practice continuously? Not necessary. You need not practice continuously. Once you learn, then it's okay. You can remember and you can use these tools, these skills to make your data more effective. Okay. Now, once you complete this series, you will get jobs with a salary ranging from 4 to 5 lakhs for an analyst to 10 to 12 lakhs for a consultant. Okay. So before starting these sessions, I would like to give my introduction. This is my introduction. I am Krishnamurthy, ID DemTech, MISCA, that is MISCA, Management Information Systems and Computer Applications, and PGDCA, Postgraduate Diploma in Computer Applications. So I am giving my email address, my phone number. You can give your feedback by giving your comments in YouTube. And I have personally worked and then created this PDF, Power BI manual in PDF format. You can contact me for this PDF. Okay, so these are my details. Now we'll go into the contents. So coming to Power BI contents, when you start the Power BI, you will see the Power BI desktop. Okay, Power BI desktop is nothing but it is an ordinary general desktop which have all the commands, tabs, and then under that all the tool menu and then the commands. Okay, so you will get this Power BI desktop. Once you close this, you will get the exact Power BI desktop, which has a file tab, home tab, insert tab, modeling tab, view tab, and help tab. In this session, I am only giving you what are overview of Power BI, not in detail. In the coming sessions, I will show you how we can visualize the raw data in graphical forms, different graphical forms. Okay, for now, you just learn what are the commands you have, what are the different tabs you have in the Power BI desktop. Okay, now coming to next slide, this is the file tab. First tab is file tab, where you have a new open report, save as, edit data, get data, import, export, and capture and options and settings, get started. So these are the options we have in file tab. So first, it is a new. When you want to open a new report, you have to click on new report. Then coming to open report, what is the difference between new and open report? New is the entirely new report you are creating, and open report is the one which is existing one. Okay, you are opening that. Then save. Already you have a file, you save it. That is the option. And save as. If you want to save this file in a different format, you use the save as. And then get data. This is very important option in Power BI. So if you have data from different sources, you want to get that data. So you use this get data command. So for example, in Excel, you have a table which you want to import into Power BI. At that time, you use this get data option. Now, coming to next file tab options. As earlier I told, for creating a new report, open report means creating a new report, and then import. Get data means connect to data from multiple sources. So what are the multiple sources you have? You can get data from a PDF, you can get data from Excel, you can get data from SQL Server, you can get data from MS Access database. So all these databases, you can get the data into Power BI. Now coming to next tab, it is import tab. So from where you are importing, it is Power BI template. First one is Power BI template. That means you are importing a template already made. And next one is Power BI visual from file. Okay, you can import a visual. I will tell you what are the Power BI visual and all those things in the coming sessions. And next one is Power BI visual from app source. This is another source. We are getting this visuals. And next is insert tab. So in insert tab, you have different commands. Okay. Now I'll just maximize this so that you can view this insert tab. Under insert tab, you have a new page, new visual, more visuals, key influences, decomposition tree. So this is an important one, decomposition tree. I will tell you about this later. Smart narrative. So the smart narrative is nothing but you have data in a table and you don't know what to narrate about the table. At that time, Power BI, that's intelligence, business intelligence tool will develop narrative for you based on the data available. So if you are creating a data of employees, like employee name, designation, salary, and his department, all those things, and you want to you have given net salary, gross salary, and all those things, and you want to give a narrative for this. So when you click smart narrative, automatically business intelligence tool will give narrative like highest salary is so much, lowest salary is this much, and then what is PF percentage, like 10% of basic, and all those things details, it will narrate in a smart manner. Okay. So people who doesn't know like how to compose sentences, they can use the smart narrative and get a good narrative about their tables. This is one smart feature. Okay. And next, Power Automate. Then text box, if you want to insert a text box, you can click here, and then different shapes are there. Image also you can insert. And coming to next slide. This is modeling tab. So in modeling tab, we can create different models and we can do what if analysis. Like what if analysis you might have learned in Excel. So what if analysis is what happens if you change one parameter. That means what is the effect of one parameter over the other. So that type of analysis also you can do using this modeling. And next, coming to view tab, you have different views like page view, model layout, and then you will have filters here, bookmarks, performance analyzer. You can just analyze the performance of table which have data, and sync slicers. All these things I will in detail explain you in the coming sessions. For now, I'm just giving an overview. Next, help tab. The last one is the help tab, which have like help topics and about what is the version of this Power BI. Okay, and then guided learning, everything like it gives in detail the documentation for each command. All those things will be there in the help tab. I think, guys, that's all for this session. Hope you enjoyed this session and then give me the feedback on this. And in the coming sessions, I will explain you about the data visualization in detail with an example, and I will show you how you can import data from Excel and then convert that into a visual. Okay, that will be an interesting one. Thank you very much. Now I'll stop sharing.